Hello everyone, welcome back to Writecream channel, your go-to spot for smart tools that help you grow your business online. Today we are checking out Writecream's AI Google Ad Copy tool with a twist. Let's quickly dive in. Be it any social media, attention spans are short. And to stand out on any platform, ad copy have to be sharp, scroll-stopping and straight to the point. Don't worry, Writecream's AI Google Ad Copy comes to the rescue. Google Ad Copy tool is designed for PPC ads, but its headline and description generators are perfect for writing short-form contents for your posts and ads across Google social media platforms. Let's dig into the tutorial. Here how to use it. Go to writecream.com and log in. Click on Google Ads Copy from the Tools menu. Enter your product or service, your audience, and choose a tone. Let's say you own a small bakery. You type in something like freshly baked cupcakes for birthdays and events. Click Generate. And tool gives you several attention-grabbing headlines and ad descriptions. Now take one of those headlines like delight in every bite, order fresh cupcakes today, and use it as your Instagram caption or Facebook ad. If you're tired looking at a blank screen or paying big bucks to copywriters, try using Writecream's AI Google Ad Copy to power up your social media game. In this tutorial, hit the like button, subscribe for more AI-based content, and let me know in the comment section what tools you would like us to review next. See you in the next one.